warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rina Gusti, and today I will like to present the title of my research is the correlation between memorization technique and presentation anxiety in English public speaking. I'll explain the background of the study, which highlight that many university students experience anxiety when speaking English in front of the audience. One factor that may influence this anxiety is the memorization technique they use, whether they memorize a full script or just a key point. The problem identified is that while students use different strategies to prepare the presentation, it is still unclear whether these strategies are actually related to their anxiety levels. Therefore, the research is limited to two techniques, the script memorization and key point memorization, and how they correlate with the presentation anxiety. The main research question is there a significant relationship between the memorization technique used and student anxiety in English presentation? The objective is to explore this relationship and provide useful insight for students and teachers to manage presentation anxiety more effectively. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Amin.